click subscribe and put the bell button on for future updates.
Hey guys, welcome back with another episode of the sobuZ. So in this video we will discuss about one of major problem from all the iPhone users who are using this sort of back covers. This sort of back covers is making the dark circle, as you can see in this video. So this sort of dark circle is getting bit looks too much odd and is becoming like a permanent thing. So we'll discuss about how to remove this dark circle from this mobile back side. So if you wash it, if you just rubbing with the water, it's not really it's not helping a lot, rather than if you are using Sapnol. আরে ভাই স্যাপনল শ্যাম্পু সাবান এগুলো ইউজ করে মোবাইলে বডিটা খাওয়ার ইচ্ছা আছে নাকি আপনার? Really it will harmful for the body. So rather than that, what we can do, like just open the back cover and you just need to follow a few steps. It's really easy, like but you must be careful while you are using that phone without the covers and all. So you just use this phone without any covers for some days. That's the simple trick. So when that phone got get in touch in the your pants and is getting automatic rubbing, and